Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can post a comment in your text documents on notebooks in the Goodnotes desktop application. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in the desktop app of my Goodnotes account. Here, navigate to documents on the left hand side and select one of your documents or notebooks. I will go with this one here. What you want to do after that is browse through your document. And you will see, for example, that paragraph here. So what you want to do is enter the command / and then you may enter, for example, I don't know, any of these elements. But if you'd like to leave a comment to an already created item, like for example, I don't know, a code block, you will need to do the following: highlight the given text or heading or paragraph. And from that formatting menu, text formatting menu, select comment. And here you may add a comment like, I don't know, good idea or something like that. If it's, for instance, intended for one of your co-editors here, click into this button to post it. And you will see then the comment button here to the right, so that you may click into it and you will see the author of the comment, the time that has elapsed since then. You may also add a reply here. Edit the given comment if you're the author, or delete it entirely. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.